All right, so we are going to continue testing the Bernoulli's principle with some aluminum cans, straw, and then this little conveyor belt of straws, which is super cool. So what do you think would happen if I were to blow air right at these cans, right? What do you think? So normally, if you blow air at something, you expect that they're gonna fall away from each other, right? They're gonna fall over, they're gonna fall apart. But based on what we've been learning with the Bernoulli's principle, which is where velocity and speed increases, right? So if I'm gonna be blowing right between the middle of these cans, the pressure between those two cans is lower. And then the pressure on the outside of these cans is greater. And so when the velocity and speed increases, pressure decreases, the pressure increases on the outside, and hypothetically, our cans should actually come together as opposed to splitting apart. So you can try this lots of different ways. I have the cans set up kind of like on a little conveyor belt of straws, so it makes it easier for them to move. I obviously have a straw myself, and then I just have two random cans. So I'm gonna give this a go and we'll see what happens. All right. Ta-da! There we go. So Bernoulli's principle at work. Less pressure, air speeds up, more pressure on the outside. Again, you can see this everywhere in nature, which I think is pretty darn cool how just the world and science work. So there you go.